On the 12th of May 2026, a white paper titled Mental Health Care Program Towards a System and Structure Driven Framework was launched and unveiled at the Rajasthan Hospital in Jaipur. The white paper has been written by FLAIR, Forum for Learning and Action with Innovation and Rigor, an organization based in Delhi and working on mental health across India. FLAIR's mentor, Dr. Rajkumar Bhandari, speaking at the program, said, "This white paper discusses the challenges faced by mental health care programs in digital era and the problems in achieving scale and accuracy."
I am very happy that we are about to release a white paper which deals with safe and healthy internet usage and the health issues which arise thereon. So, as you are all very well aware that the use of internet has penetrated practically every part of our society, every part of our life. And it has become so integral that by the day we find even children using screen time as high as 3.5 to 4 hours a day. The issue is that if they use internet for a good purpose, then it is just the best friend. But there is always a risk that they go into uncharted territories because there are no limits, and we find that currently the cyberbullying, gaming is very common as a recreational this thing. Besides this, what we find is that the excessive screen time also gives visual disorders, including children. We have found that they suffer from anxiety, depression, in a way like hallucination. So DSM-5 has now put this internet addiction as a treatable entity. And Dr. Raghav, being so accomplished in this field, I think there will be a very good beginning in our center while we are dealing with substance abuse, drug abuse, all those addictions, alcohol, so on and so forth. So bringing this into our fold. So this makes our center a very holistic, complete center.
The white paper analyzes the lacunae in systems and structures and presents a solution that is backed by scientific and clinical evidence, both procedural and substantive. Eminent personalities from the field of mental health and education shared their solutions for achieving scale, speed, and accuracy while ensuring scientific and clinical rigor in the area of mental health for children and young people. Professor Kanta Ahuja, Dr. Sarvesh Agarwal, Dr. Raghav Shah, Mrs. Neera Mathur, and Dr. Rajkumar Bhandari shared their insights and solutions. The central argument of the white paper is that India requires a shift from reactive, counseling based models to structured, proactive, and system driven mental health frameworks. Such systems must identify concerns early, classify severity, provide different levels of support, ensure confidentiality, and operate efficiently across large populations. Institutional settings such as schools, colleges, universities, training centers, and workplaces are especially important because they are where early signs of distress often become visible. A proactive model can reduce stigma by making mental health engagement routine, private, and non labeling. Universal screening, psychoeducation, and common mental issues framing can help move mental health from being an individual failure to being understood as a shared institutional responsibility. The proposed application MWIL Reach Out frames common mental issues as challenges we can all understand and address.